So our first project belongs to an activity जिसके अंदर हम लोग को एक एलईडी को ग्लो करवाना है, राइट? सो नॉट ओनली ग्लो बट हमको उसको ब्लिंक करवाना है. सो व्हाट डज ब्लिंक मीन्स? कि रिपीटिंग टर्निंग द एलईडी ऑन एंड ऑफ विद इन अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम फ्रेम. ओके, यानी कि जैसे मैं कहूँ कि 1 सेकेंड में एक बार एलईडी ऑन होगी और उसी 1 सेकेंड में एक बार एलईडी ऑफ होगी. इसका मतलब एक बार एलईडी ऑन होगी, फिर 1 सेकेंड का गैप लेगी, फिर एलईडी ऑफ होगी. सो ये हमारा आज का एम है प्रोजेक्ट का. प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है ब्लिंकिंग ऑफ एलईडी एंड काफ़ी कॉमन प्रोजेक्ट है क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा बेसिक लेवल पे है. एंड ऑल द बिगिनर्स दैट मूव टू आर्डिनो मस्ट परफॉर्म दिस एक्टिविटी बिफोर मूविंग अहेड, जिससे कि हमको वायरिंग समझ में आए एंड ऑर्डिनो एक्टिविटीज समझ में आए कि एक्चुअल में हमको क्या करना होता है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं क्लियर कर दूं कि हम ये पूरा प्रोजेक्ट टिंकरकैड यानी कि सिमुलेशन पे करेंगे. सो अलॉन्ग विद दैट आई टेल यू कि हाउ टू यूज द सिमुलेशन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू राइट टिंकरकैड एंड टिंकरकैड डाल के टिंकरकैड हम लोग आ जाएंगे. एंड उसके बाद से हमको एक नया सर्किट बनाना पड़ेगा. लेट मी एडजस्ट द साइज. क्रिएट पे जाएंगे एंड सर्किट्स में एक नया सर्किट हम क्रिएट कर लेंगे. Once the page is opened, you will get to know this much of the interface. So सबसे पहले आपको एक वाली वीडियो देखनी पड़ेगी जिसमें सिमुलेशन का एक पूरा ट्यूटोरियल दिया है. 9 मिनट के अंदर हर एक चीज एक्सप्लेन करी है. Go through that video. After that, you will get to know how to use this particular simulation. Now, what is our project? Our project is we have to create a circuit in which we will connect LED in such a way and program that microcontroller in such a way that it turns on and turns off the LED in a time interval. So first of all, let me take this Arduino Uno R3 and place it here. And let me take an LED and then a resistor. First of all, let me do it clear that the resistor is must be of value at least 500 ohms to get the most bright color of the LED. Else you can use 1 kilo ohm also, but you will get low bright LED. Okay, as the current will be limited. Now, moving ahead, we will first use a breadboard. So I'm going to use small breadboard, smallest breadboard actually. So from the components all, I'll select the smallest, that is breadboard mini, and then I'll connect all these in this mini. First of all, let me clear it to you. This anode is positive sign. So clicking on this LED and pressing M button will rotate it vertically. So now connect this anode with this sorted row along with this terminal 2 of resistor, and then terminal 1 of resistor will be connected to a digital pin. Let's say the digital pin is 7, and also along with that the cathode must be connected to the ground. So let me connect it to the ground. You can connect it with any ground. किसी भी ground में हम इसको connect कर सकते हैं, either ये वाला ground या फिर ये वाला ground. यहाँ पे दो ground है हमारे पास. Okay, now the circuit is almost complete. Now we have to just code for it. So code में हम क्या करते हैं, हमने coding सीखी हुई है इसकी. So सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं, सबसे पहले we have to define which pin we are using and what value for that pin we are using. First of all, let's define that LED pin is pin number 7. Also, we can do a thing that we can define a global variable integer LED pin and assign the value 7 to it. Now, wherever I'll use LED underscore pin, I'll be using the value 7. So, but for now, let's use the define only. Now, if we are using define, अब हम क्या करेंगे, void setup, we'll use void setup function, and then there's curly braces, and then moving to the indent. uh, First of all, let me clear you, there is no indentation process in the CPP, I mean C++, but yes, to make it in a nice manner and very clear to us and the reader, we use indentation gaps using the tab button. If you will press tab button, So it will give us space. Okay. So yeah, tab. And then we will first define the pin mode or the pin that we are using. So we are using LED underscore pin, and the pin mode is output. Closing this via semicolon, and then coming to the next part, that is void loop. And I'm sorry, void loop. And then again using the curly braces, then using the indentations of the same, and using uh, digital right. And then the pin number that we are using, that is LED underscore pin, and then high. Now, in the by default state of the LED, the by default state of the LED is low. That means zero value. Now we will turn the LED on and we will wait for a single second, that is 1000 milliseconds. Again, we're gonna turn this LED off after 1 second, right? So we'll write digital right LED pin, and then we'll turn it off. This is how we do it. And again, we have to wait for a second to turn it on. So we wait for a second, that is 1000 milliseconds, and then it will again get into the loop, and then it will again turn it on high, and then again delay, then low, then delay, then high, then delay, low, then delay. So this will go forever until we will stop our circuit. So as you can see, it works all the way very well. It turns on and then turns off, on and then off. So this is how